For this exercise, we have the number of absences for a sample of 28 statistics tutorials. And based on the data set, we are asked to construct a 90% confidence interval for the mean number of absences per tutorial. Now, the confidence interval for the mean is given by this formula. It's the sample mean plus or minus a critical value, t sub alpha over 2, with n minus 1 degrees of freedom, times the sample standard deviation, divided by the square root of the sample size. Now, first for the critical value, since we want a 90% confidence interval, this means that alpha is 1 minus 0.9, which is 0.1. And so our critical value is t sub 0.05